We'll guide you through how to master Vercel Labs Agent skills. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Vercel Labs section on the dashboard. Here, you'll find the Agents tab. Click on it to access the Agent Skills interface. To start mastering these skills, you need to first understand the project setup. Ensure you have a project already deployed on Vercel, as this will be crucial for utilizing the full capabilities of the agent skills. Now, in the Agents tab, click on the Create Agent button. Give your agent a name that reflects its purpose. After that, you can configure the agent by selecting the skills you want it to have. Skills can range from auto-scaling, error monitoring, to custom webhook actions. You can add these by clicking on the Add Skill button and selecting from the available options. Each skill can be configured further. For example, in auto-scaling, you can set thresholds for scaling actions. Make sure to save your configurations after each skill is added. Once your agent is configured, you should test it. Go to the Testing section in the Agent Skills interface, where you can simulate different scenarios to see how your agent responds. This is crucial for ensuring your configurations are correct and that the agent behaves as expected. If any adjustments are needed, you can easily go back and tweak the settings. Remember, the key to mastering Vercel Labs agent skills lies in continuous learning and testing. Keep refining your agents based on the feedback and performance metrics provided by Vercel. This way, you can ensure that your applications are optimized and responsive to changing conditions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.